Do you want to be able to cancel your Coinbase One subscription? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So what you're going to do firstly is to just open up your Coinbase app and then log in into your Coinbase account. And now you should be taken to a page very similar to this. As you can see, now what you're going to do on this page is to click on the three lines in the top left corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just click where it says Coinbase One in here. So click on Coinbase One. Just wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll all the way down in here. As you can see, all the way down in here until you can see where it says Manage. And that is exactly where you need to click. So click on Manage. Just wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page. So now in here, just click on Cancel Membership all the way down below in here, as you can see. Then click on Confirm Cancel, then click on Done. And we can just click on none of the above in here, or we can just click on Skip. And as you can see, I don't have the Coinbase One subscription now. We can click on the Coinbase One here once again. And as you can see, I don't have it anymore. My trial, as you can see, I have a free trial that actually will expire on the March of 6th, so it's going to expire in just a couple of days. But basically, this is exactly how to cancel your Coinbase One subscription.